guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It truly helps our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 19 of Heroine's Revenge. Let's start reading. Rongchi, don't get cocky. Zhu will beat you this time. Tama. Kalimitan sa mga sidekick, sila yung mas, mas masambog. At nakakainis. Oh yeah? Diba? Gwapo ni Busu yan. Don't regret what you said later. Kakatakot yung mata niya, ha? And here comes our female lead. For sure. Ito ba mga grand entrance ng ganyan? Female leads lang yan. Charing. So, sino to? Open. So, saan siya uupo? Oo. Sa kanya siya, kay Busi yan siya uupo. Hello, Mr. Wrong. So, Wrong yung pangalan niya ngayon sa world na to. What are you doing here? Franz. Didn't I warn you not to mess up with me? Do you want a piece of me? Galit Yorn. Please don't be so rude to girls. It's demeaning. Take me with you, will you? If you refuse, I'll call the police and tell them you race cars without permission. Diba? Blackmailing while taking what you want. Cold. Galit Yarn. Fine. If you are not afraid of that, I'll take you. Ah, well, he experienced many times how to die, so hindi niyan siya takot. Let's go. And here they go. Hurtling. Woohoo! Yan. Whoosh. Oh. Sizzling. Grabe. Ganyan kabilis na nagsaspark na siya. Oh. Naggit-gitan sila kaya nagsaspark. Ay nako. Surpasses. Ignorant, indifferent. Wala siyang pakialam. Sige, mauna ka. Hahabulin din kita. Hahabulin or mahahabol din kita. Ganun. What happened? Parang nabigla siya. Surpasses again. Wow, that's impressive. You lose him. You are winning here. Congratulations. You deserve to be called the young Mr. Racer. Hindi siya naka-seatbelt. Baka mahulog siya. Someone did something to my brake and it's not working. No wonder Mark Chan was so arrogant tonight. He must have had someone do it. Uh-oh. What now? Are we going to drive off that hill and die together? Parang wala lang sa kanya. Doon tayo. Listen, when I say jump, you will unfasten your safety belt and jump off the car. Ay, pinauna siya. Kahit gano'n naman siya, gentleman pa rin naman siya, no? Listen carefully. I only say this once. Keep your elbows together when you jump and put your fists under your chin. Make sure you land on your back shoulder and protect your head. This way, you won't get hurt seriously. Huh? Bigay siya ng instruction, di ba? Alam na niya. At ayaw niya masaktan si ate mo, girl. Got it. Pero parang wala lang sa kanya. And there. Jump. Okay. Magkaiba yung shoes. So, they both jump. Yeah, they really both jump. And seats. Di ba? Parang wala lang sa kanya. Danger, danger. Watch out for the boulder. May boulder? Rolls over. And... watch out! Lagi na lang niya sinisave tong male lead natin, ano? Pag nagkikita sila, ang first na mangyayari is malalagay sa danger si guy, and then liligtas siya ni female lead, and then doon na mag-start yung ano nila, story nila. Ganun na lang ba lagi in every world? Oopsie. Of course, she will get hurt, and then the system will help her, and then nagugulat si male lead. Why did you hug me? Tanong ka pa, tiligtas ka na nga eh. If I didn't do that, your head would be hit by a sharp boulder. That's right. That's a deep cut. It hurts. Siyempre, sino naman hindi masasaktan pag nasugatan, ano? At least ngayon, tuhod lang yung nasugatan. Before, it's a backside, diba? It's only the first day I traveled here. Someone already poured water on me, and I rolled down from a hill and got hurt. What a tough day. Oo nga, no? First day pa lang yan. Dami nang nangyari sa kanya. I can't walk. You should carry me. Diba? Nagpaawa agad. Ito namang isa, parang wala din namang naramdaman. Ay, nako, kuya. Silly girl. Carry her na kasi. Oh, it's a piggyback ride. Hop on. I'll take you to the hospital. After that, stunned. Let's go to your place. Aba, ano si ate? Straightforward. And that's the start of their love story. Charing. Tingnan natin. Exciting, diba? Okay, mangyayari. The next coming chapters. Right, see ya guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!